Hey there, Motofixr. Today we are going to replace trunk strut rods on a 2000 BMW 540i, which is the E39 edition. And you can see these strut rods do not work at all. I purchased two brand new struts through Amazon. They are Chinese aftermarket parts. There they are. Here's the label in case you're interested, and I'll throw a link in the description below. Now these struts have a pretty simple configuration. The top of the strut is the thick part, which looks like it's inverted, but the thick part goes on top. This is a C-clip, or little spring C-clip that needs to be removed to allow you to slide that off the post. And on this end is a regular clip. You just back off this metal clip away from the post by putting a screwdriver down into that little slot right there. Okay, I've done a couple of these videos in the past, so here's another helpful hint. When you use a really small screwdriver, a little flathead, you want to get it into the C-clip, into this little flat area, or this little opening area that allows you to leverage the C-clip out off of this post. However, these C-clips are spring steel, which means they love to go flying. So a really good idea is to take a small piece of blue tape and just tape it over the top of your C-clip and then leverage it out of place. And you are unlikely to have that thing go flying into Never Never Land and start missing parts. Okay, here we go. And the C-clip is out. Okay, now that I have these two C-clips out, we are going to work on the bottom post. And the bottom post has this little spring steel clip that holds this ball onto the post itself. And that ball, if you can see right down in here, has a small indentation which allows you to get a flathead screwdriver in there, and then just start to slowly work the clip away. Okay, we pulled that clip out. Let's grab a new strut rod and insert the top into the top post. Now keep in mind, you want this angled toward you because that's how it was installed. So just slip that over the top post. And when you get ready to install the bottom post, this little clip, because it's different than that C-clip we removed, you actually have to swing this out of place on this aftermarket one, just to get that ball lined up. All right, with this aftermarket, it actually did not go on that easy. I actually had to swing this open and then pull that little rod up to make that hole larger and get that opening ready to go over the ball. And as you can see, it really has to be out of the way. Once you have it out of the way, you can get the ball in place, push this back down in place, and clip it back over the ball. And now it's secure. As soon as you have the bottom in place, go back to your top C-clip and take your small C-clip and just get it positioned on the post. Now again, be careful here because these C-clips can pop and go flying. Just get it pushed as best you can in place with your fingers and then finish it off with your screwdriver. That's it. It clicked. There we go. It's in place. Okay, they're both installed. There's the right, there's the left, and proof is in the pudding. That was not happening before. Just one more repair for the BMW. If you like this content, comment below, hit that like button, and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all your support.